Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken salad at home. First, you'll need about 2 cups of cooked chicken, either shredded or diced. Next, gather your essential ingredients: 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery, and 2 tablespoons of minced red onion. Don't forget your seasonings. Salt, black pepper, and a pinch of fresh dill will elevate the flavor. This simple combination creates a truly satisfying and easy meal. For the best chicken salad, start with perfectly cooked chicken. You can use leftover roasted chicken, boiled chicken breasts, or even a rotisserie chicken for ultimate convenience. Once cooled, shred the chicken into uniform, bite-sized pieces, aiming for about 1/2 inch. Using 2 forks or your hands makes this process quick and easy, ensuring a great texture throughout your salad. Now it's time to bring everything together. In a large mixing bowl, combine your shredded chicken, chopped celery, and minced onion. Next, add the mayonnaise. Start with about 1/2 cup and mix well, adding more if you prefer a creamier consistency. Finally, stir in your salt, black pepper, and dill. Taste and adjust the seasonings to your liking for a perfect balance of flavors. Your homemade chicken salad is now ready to enjoy. Serve it on toasted bread for a classic sandwich, with crackers for a quick snack, or in crisp lettuce cups for a lighter option. Any leftovers should be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator and will stay fresh for up to 3 days. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.